If you're getting Windows Update error code 8007300E on Windows 11, this error is related to memory or update cache issues and it can be fixed. This error usually appears when Windows Update gets stuck, fails to download, or fails during installation. In most cases, it happens because Windows doesn't have enough available memory or the update files are corrupted. First step, restart your PC. This clears temporary memory usage and should always be done before anything else. After restarting, close all unnecessary programs running in the background. Browsers, launchers, and heavy apps can consume memory and cause this update error. Now let's run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters, find Windows Update, and click Run. Let Windows scan and automatically fix common update problems. If the error is still there, we need to clear the Windows Update cache. Press Windows R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Windows Update, right-click it, and choose Stop. Now open File Explorer and go to the Windows drive, then Windows, then Software Distribution. Delete all files and folders inside it. Don't worry, Windows will recreate them. Go back to Services, right-click Windows Update again, and choose Start. After that, restart your PC and try updating Windows again. If you still get the same error, check your system drive free space. Make sure you have at least 20 to 30 GB of free space on drive C. Low disk space can easily trigger memory-related update errors. Next, let's repair system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator, type sfc/scanout and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish completely. If corrupted files are found, Windows will repair them automatically. You can also increase virtual memory to avoid this error. Search for Advanced System Settings, open it, then go to Performance Settings. Under Virtual Memory, click Change and set it to System Manage Size. Click OK, apply the changes, and restart your PC. After doing all these steps, Windows Update should work normally again. These methods fix this error on Windows 11 for most users. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe for more Windows fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.